To reset a Ring camera for a new user, follow these steps. First, locate the small battery cover at the rear end of the camera and gently lift it to remove it. With the cover off, you will see an orange button, known as the setup button, which is used to reset the unit. To initiate the reset, press and hold the setup button for approximately 20 seconds, keeping an eye on the front of the camera. When you see a light start flashing, release the button. The final step is to wait for the unit to reset, which can take several minutes as the device reverts to its factory settings. The reset is complete when the light turns off. Once this process is finished, you can proceed to set up the device again from scratch. This straightforward process allows you to easily reset a Ring camera for a new user, restoring it to its original settings.